Hello everyone, this is Zach with Metaverse Make. Today I'll be showing you how to install the Deluxe Audio Strap on your Oculus Quest 2. This is sometimes referred or known as the FrankenQuest. First, we need to install the original strap and the faceplate. I like to start taking the faceplate off first. So this is your faceplate, the black thing here. You want to pull on it until it unsnaps, like that. Set it to the side, we don't need it for now. You need to remove the top Velcro. Then you can pull it out. If it catches here, you can feed it from the front until it's free. We need to remove each side arm strap. So the way I like to do it is take my thumb and index finger and place here and twist it towards me. Now let's do the opposite side. So I like to take my thumb, index finger and place it right here and twist it towards me. We don't need a strap anymore. Your Oculus Quest 2 should now look like this. Everything removed, faceplate, Velcro, original strap. Now we need to get our DOS adapters that you purchased from Metaverse Make. So you'll get two different adapters, or a set with left and right. You'll get the corded side, which is the left. You'll get the right side. Let's start installing on the left, the corded side. So how do you know which side's the left? Well, this is the orientation of the Quest when it's on your face. So this is where your nose goes. This is where the Velcro on the top goes. So this would be your left. So you take the slotted one or the left one. They're both labeled. So this plate is labeled left, corded side, and the plate, the adapter itself, is labeled left, corded side. So what we need to do is take the left corded adapter, line it up perfectly on this arm. It has to be perfect because it's a tight fit. And I like to take my thumb and index finger and squeeze on this side. Excuse me, we get it lined up. And I like to press on this side with this thumb. And you just make sure it's lined up. Also, I like to do it from the bottom. You can do it from the top. Either way is your preference. Some ways are easier. So squeeze on this side and push on this side until it locks in. So we're locked in. See how the arm goes on? So it should never come off unless you want it to. Let's get the right side done. So your right adapter, it doesn't have a slot. It's a straight rail. And it's also labeled non-quarter side right. And the plate on it is also labeled non-quarter side right. So you want to do the same thing on this side. You want to pick up your Quest, locate the arm, excuse me, it's kind of hard doing the camera, and you want to take your index finger and your thumb, squeeze here, and you want to press here until it locks into place. So as you can see, it can be hard, so sometimes I like to do it from the top and press, and it snaps in easier. So once that's nice and secure, as you can see, it's locked fully in place on each side. We need to install the Deluxe Audio Strap itself. So the Deluxe Audio Strap is it included with the purchase of Metaverse Make. However, you can go to Amazon and pick one of these up. I see them go anywhere from $80 to $100. You may be able to find one local used for cheaper. So locate your left side. Quest here. Take the last DOS arm and clip it into the left DOS adapter. Push it in. And when you do the same for the other side. Push it in. Now we need to attach the D-ring so we can attach the top of the Deluxe Audio Strap. So locate the D-ring, it comes in the package. It should come with a 4-inch piece of Velcro. So I like to undo it first, set the D-ring down, and push my Velcro up through the top of the old loop. So we got the Velcro in. The small side goes here. And you want to loop your Velcro around until it catches. So we got our D-ring installed. Now we just need to install our locking plates into the Quest arms. So for this side, this is the cord side with the slot. You need to find the plate that says left cord side. What we need to do now is make sure press the DOS arm into the adapter, make sure it's nice and secure and tight. We come from the front and slide this plate in, the locking plate. You can use this nub right here to help you slide it and push from the front, because this is the tight fit. It's designed to be very secure, so it never comes undone unless you want it to. So I got it nice locked in. This will never come off unless you want it to. Let's get to the right side. Now on the right side, it's the same concept. Press in with your thumb, make sure it's nice, locked in place. And we take the plate. Now I recommend also, I forgot to mention, you can remove these stickers. That's just there for instructions. You remove those stickers. And you can just lock it in. Slide it in from the front. Use this nub to pull it back while pushing. And it should lock it in place. Now all we need to do is put our Velcro arm, or our Velcro from our deluxe audio strap, through the D-ring. Just slide it from the top and just place it like that. Now you're almost ready to go. Pretty much all you need to do now is put your faceplate back on. So you line it up, and once you get lined up, you just snap it into place, and your deluxe audio strap is ready to go. And very secure. How do you remove the arms or the adapters if you want to go back to the original strap? Well, you just do everything in reverse. Unhook it here, go this way, take your plate off, take your D-ring off, slide your plates out. Now you want to twist this arm up from the bottom. Same thing. Push this nub up to undo the locking plates. Twist this arm up from the bottom. And this part can be tricky, so make sure you apply plenty of pressure. So what I like to do is locate the deluxe audio strap adapter. I like to grab from the bottom and twist towards me. Now, if for some reason it doesn't come undone that way, you can do the opposite side way, like twist from the top down. It might come undone. And you'll need to do the other side too. So you can take and grab your fingers right here along the edge and twist up. It should undo. Now we just need to put our original strap back on. And so you just do it the same way it came off. You push up into place like that. Make sure it snaps. And push it in place and lock. Find the original strap top piece or Velcro. Slide it through this ring. Pull on it. Now we're almost finished. We just got to put our faceplate back on. Make sure you get your strap out of the way. Push down till it locks into place. And we're back to original. This has been Zach with Metaverse Make. If you have any questions, issues, need further instructions, or any recommendations of what strap to buy, please contact me on Etsy or email me. Thank you very much. You have a good day.